Hello students, welcome to Metrology and Quality Control classes. My name is Anil Kohli, Senior Lecturer of Mechanical Department, James Polytechnic College. Last class, we saw the Lecture 1, Definition of Metrology, Objectives of Metrology, and Applications of Metrology. Now, in this lecture, we will study categories of metrology. Section number 2, Categories of Metrology. Content of the lecture: classification of the metrology, or types of metrology, or categories of metrology. If any, they will ask in the exam point of view, we have to write these types of metrologies. First one, scientific metrology. Next one, industrial metrology. Third one, legal metrology. Fourth one, deterministic metrology. Once again I am repeating: scientific metrology, industrial metrology, legal metrology, deterministic metrology. So in this lecture we will study one by one what is scientific metrology, what is industrial metrology, what is legal metrology, what is deterministic metrology. Scientific metrology. It is also called as a fundamental metrology. Scientific metrology concentrate with the organization and development of measurement standards with their maintenance. So, whenever we are starting the industry in an organization, so to develop the measurement standards. Measurement means not only checking the lengths, weights, not like that. Measurement means pressures, temperature, and environmental condition. Suppose we are starting in as a company, so this we are starting here. This place we are starting as a company. So this place will be suitable for this particular industry or not. So transportation, it is available or not. So how the soil, how environmental conditions, so all the things will comes into the scientific metrology. So if you going to start an industry, these all the things will comes into the scientific metrology. So further it will be develop the measurements. So after that, if any measuring instruments and everything will be there, that will be a development of the industry, right? Scientific metrology plays an important role in the redefinition of the units, or precise measurement of a physical constant is required to have a accurate definition of the base units. Redefinition of the units: maybe before that your units, maybe you are checking another parameters. Now we will redefine, right? Before you are making a grams, now we can change it kilograms. Before you are checking an ml, now it will be in a liter, like this change. So the main, whenever the metrology will comes into the mind, we have to keep three things. Whenever you are starting an industry, you have to keep in three things. AIM. A means हमारा accuracy. I means instrument or inspection. M means measurement. M means measuring instruments. So these three things will be an important. We will start the industries. The scientific metrology is purely related with to the development of the organization, how you are maintaining in a industry, right? Industrial metrology. It is also known as a applied or a technical metrology. This metrology is related with ensuring the adequate functioning of measuring instruments used in industry as well as in production and testing process. In an industry, if we are going to start an industry, we need a measuring instruments, we need a machines, we need a testing processes, right? So what are the types of measuring instruments you are using? Either linear measurements, either angular measurements, maybe combination of linear and angular measurements. So what type of measurements you are using, that will be calibrated or not, that is a main important thing. And then what are the machines you are using, either lathe machines, slotting machines, milling machines, what type of milling, what of the machineries you are using. So how the lifetime of the machines, so that will all counts into the industrial measurement metrology. And then testing process, what are the tests you are conducting to finalize the project to deliver the market, an important thing in the metrology. So industrial metrology will see this all the things. So suppose you are making a product, how much hole size, design also will comes into the industrial metrology, right? You are making a product, the design will be how if you are applying any load on the particular product, so how much load is taken, how much the product have a tensile strength, hardness, compressive strength, everything will comes into the industrial metrology. It is concentrated with the application of measurement science to manufacturing instruments. So industrial metrology is not only to functioning the measuring instruments, not only it is to help to the scientific metrology, maybe to change the units, maybe rewrite the units, right? Industrial metrology is helpful for that one. Industrial metrology really, it is a play a major role to develop the organization. So when we are measuring the products, you don't have any quality instruments, you don't have a quality machines, so you can't produce a quality products. So while we are checking the inspections also, when the raw material came, so your raw material is not good, if you are not rejected, if you enter into the, we are making the products, after finalization you are going to test the so that what happened, whatever you are expecting from the product will not give the ratings to you, because of your raw material is not good. The inspection also will be the pay in industrial metrology, inspection also is a one thing. So this is about industrial metrology. Metrology. Legal metrology is related with the accuracy of measurement, where these have an influence on the transparency of economical transaction and health and safety. So legal metrology, it is in a statutory document. So before going to start in industry, you have to take a permission from the government authorized boards. Suppose health department, you have to take the permission from the health department, air pollution control department, safety department. So transparency economically. So you have to take all the permission from this one. So that will be a legal metrology. What are the statutory documents will be there for your measuring instruments? That measuring instruments is calibrated or not? That will be certified by a government or not? That missions is certified by the company or not? So that all will comes into the legal metrology. Suppose you are running a company, if anything happened in our industry, so they will ask first of all statutory document. So where you take the permission from the health department, you took the permission from the safety department, you take the permission from the took the permission from the pollution control board. So where is the documents? Please show the documents. If everything is okay, then it will be good. If you don't have a documents, legal documents, that will be creating a problem. Legal metrology, units of measurement, methods of measuring instruments, and treated to relation to the statutory and technical requirements. So, measuring instrument technical requirements is there or not? Suppose we have a universal testing machine, that will be certified or not? So, like this, everything we need a legal proof. Where is the applications of legal metrology? Commercial transaction related with the net quantity. So how your transaction is going on, commercial transaction. So you are taking your money, so you are paying the tax or not? How you turn over the company, how much you are getting per annum, so how much you are paying to the government as a tax, so how much you are giving the salary to your employees, how much you are buying from the raw material. Next, industrial measurements, accuracy and changeability. Oh, so whatever your product making, that will be in a good accuracy or not? Interchangeability or not? What is the interchangeability? Interchangeability means, suppose you are making a one product, so another company is making the same product. Suppose you are making a male products, another company is making a female products. When we merge both together, it will be match or not? So that industrial interchangeability concept, that will comes. Because of, for example, you are taken as a holder, you have a bulb is making in another company, bulb is making in another company. When we match together, so both will be match. If they match, no problem for about your holder, bulb holders. Otherwise, what happened? The holder is not matching with our bulbs. So it will be creating a problem in the market side. And then measurement of health. So surrounding the company or surrounding the industry, so how people will be health, public health and safety. So in your company, people are working, what are the precautions you are taking, what are the safety precautions you are taken for the employees? It will be an important role in the legal metrology. So legal metrology means document related from A to Z, all will comes into the legal metrology. Deterministic metrology. Deterministic metrology means nanometrology करके भी बोल सकते हैं. When the part measurement is replaced by the process measurement, then it is known as a deterministic metrology or nanometrology. So whole process, because of nowadays all the things will comes into the nanotechnology, right? X-ray machines, cameras, and everything will comes into the nanotechnology. Because of this nanotechnology, every part, everything will be in a high precision and control system. So deterministic metrology is used for very high precision machines and control system to obtain accuracy in terms of nanotechnology. So, nanotechnology, when we are using this nanotechnology, all the instruments, electronics and electrical instruments, all will be in a small thing. So, if it is not possible in a part measurement, it whole process because of every part we can't check, so whole process will be checked, right? This is an deterministic metrology. This is an deterministic metrology. Summary. So what we studied in this class, just we will remind us and we will conclude this lecture. Scientific metrology purely related with the what? Development of the standard measuring in the standards of the organization. So कोई भी डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम लोग इसको साइंटिफिक मेट्रोलॉजी यूज होते हैं. इंडस्ट्रियल मेट्रोलॉजी. So industrial metrology is related with the ensuring the adequate functioning of the measuring instruments, production and testing process. So how measuring instrument is function, that will comes into the industrial metrology. Whatever the machines you are using in our organization, that all will comes into the industrial metrology. Next one, legal metrology. Legal metrology is purely related with the statutory documents and technical requirements, right? You have all statutory documents and your company is maintain all technical data and everything will be no problem. Next one, deterministic metrology. It is purely high precision machines and control system. This is all called as a nanometrology, nanotechnology. This metrology is used for a nanotechnology. Nanotechnology. References: Metrology and Quality Control by Ram Manohar Pandey, Foundation Publishing House. Metrology and Quality Control by Paras A. Palastakar, DJ Publications. A Textbook of Metrology by M. Mahajan, Dhanapati Rai and Sons. Engineering Metrology by R.K. Jain, Khanna Publisher, Delhi. Professor Dr. Kanakupai Sadaswappa, Department of Industrial and Production Engineer. The given description link is useful for the course material and the lecture of the professor. In this lecture, we studied categories of metrology. Next lecture, we will study what is the need of inspection, what is accuracy, what is the precision, with examples, and what is the difference between accuracy and precision. In most of metrology is an important thing, that is accuracy and precision. Students, if you have any doubts, you can put your comments on comment box. Thank you. We'll see on next class.